Hello everyone, welcome back to Vindhyavasini Academy. New research position is available in Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, in the Department of Earthquake Engineering. The name of the research project is Testing of Stainless Steel Grade for Structure Application. The name of the research position is JRF. Number of posts available is 1. Let's look at the essential qualification. M.Tech in Structural Engineering with GATE and CGPA 7 or above with the knowledge of design of steel structure. The stipend will be paid 37,000 per month. The duration of the project will be 1 year. Candidates desire to appear for the interview should submit their application form with the following document to the PI through email. These are the list of the documents. The last date of application form will be June 15, 2024. The link shall be shared only to the shortlisted candidates by email. The detailed notification along with the application form is attached in our description box. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update. Thank you for watching.